Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When we entertain at home, we want to do it right. Serve some hors d'oeuvre, appetizers, main course, cheese, wine, and dessert. The thing is, we don't want to be tied to the oven. We want to be with our friends and family. So this is when quick, elegant, and delicious appetizer recipes come in handy. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my escargot à la Bourguignonne. This tasty French classic has a slight twist to it. With a couple of added ingredients, this is a dish that can be ready in less than 6 minutes if you prep everything ahead. Now we're talking. So my friends, let's get cooking.
Escargot à la Bourguignonne is very simple. It's garlic butter and snails. That's it. As you know, I like to enhance recipes, and by adding a few extra ingredients, this dish tastes much better. Alright, so this is our room temperature garlic butter, and I won't go into details on how to make it, so click on the top right corner of your screen to get the recipe. Now, here's the added ingredients. Dry white wine and grated Parmesan cheese. We'll combine them into the butter until very well distributed. Then we'll transfer the butter to the fridge until it hardens, about 1 hour. This simple step will make it easier to stuff the shells. You'll see. 60 minutes later, and here's our hard butter, and that's exactly what we want, as it will go faster for stuffing. So let's start. We'll take a shell and put a small amount of butter inside, enough to cover the bottom, and then we'll take a snail and place it inside. If there's a little tiny one, add 2 of them, okay? We'll now cover with more butter, making sure it's evenly stuffed. See? Just like this. And place it on a baking sheet sprinkled with coarse sea salt, with the opening of the shell facing up. Today, I was able to stuff 28 shells with 1 can. Not too bad. Next, we'll transfer them to a 450-degree preheated oven and bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until the butter is foaming and the escargots are sizzling. We'll remove them from the heat and let them rest for a few minutes before serving. And my friends, these are our escargots à la Bourguignonne. Easy and so delicious. This is an appetizer that you'll want to serve at your next dinner party. The beauty of this recipe is most of it can be prepped earlier and simply popped in the oven later. It's another French classic to add to your recipe folder. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!